Well, a gross one today for me, and it happens. Been on a nice little run and just felt a little FOMO and things like that. We're going to go and recap the trades that I took today. These are done on my 20, 50K Apex funded accounts. Right now, it's 90% off. All account sizes are $19.60 after the discount, no matter the account size, with code TBM at checkout on Apex. So go take advantage of that. It lasts till December 16th. Let's go and get into today's recap. Morning. Markets are open. They've been open. My bad. All right, news on the session. We've got FOMC today at 1 o'clock. FOMC press conference at PAL at 1:30. That is it. Market's been over for 5 minutes. We got value area low at 650, value area high at 730, overnight highs at 745. Everything is appearing fairly heavy. We'll see if we can crack this 550 spot. Maybe FOMC will do it. Maybe we do it before FOMC. Maybe we just get back and chop a range before FOMC. Who knows? Okay, bouncing off value area low right now on the session. Delta looks a little heavy. Overnight lows as well. Value area low and overnight lows is the current bounce spot. Little 50% retrace of the wick. Actually fairly intriguing. Delta's a little heavy. Might just be an instant slap. Instant slap for 8 points. Love that. Delta's heavy. Sweep 600. Go back into the 580s. Could be really interesting. We got the liquidity for it. Stop was at a good spot. Saved me a lot of points. I wanted that little doji, 50% retrace of the doji to kick us up to defend the overnight lows. Was the thought process there. Volume is pretty balanced right now. Volume profile is pretty balanced. I was hoping we'd get a kick back up into VWAP and kind of balance out their range into FOMC. Didn't happen. I took an 8-point stop. I like the push up into the liquidity higher. It's just the biggest question that I'm dealing with right now is where is the risk at, right? Like, how do I get into this with the risk being manageable or okay? Like realistically, like anything 76 probably is okay. It's a little less than ideal because it's like a little more than 10 points, but like 72 with like the -2 standard deviation could be pretty good. Or we're just going to push it, right? Like definitely on the table too. Like, even the little 1 minute wick test here could be kind of interesting. I just kind of think we probably pop it right now. Go back up into the overnight lows. So we react at 22 and point of control. Pretty strong candle. Fortunately, I'm just watching it happen. Good way to put it. Analysis brain is killing it, but trader brain can't finesse. Yeah. Unfortunately, it just happens sometimes. I think the point of control trade here is okay. Or the wick test. Both of those are on the table. I just don't really want to short this right now, honestly. We got so much liquidity higher. I don't think it makes sense. I like the wick test more. Into point of control is what I really like, but I just don't know if even this might not work. Value area low, wick test. I'm in on the long. We've got liquidity through 90, which is a little sketchy. It's a -1 standard deviation also. 600 psych level here coming up. There's 600 psych. Blue line algo, quick reject. I I just don't want to give it through the freaking prior open, but that's what I have to do. Which is where we're currently at. Needs to bounce off the prior open. It has to bounce this, like, or I'm just gonna get, obviously I'm gonna get stopped out. But I'm saying from a price action perspective, if it's gonna engulf like this, it needs to bounce prior open, and it needs to do it fairly quick-ish. Like, this candle needs to close as a doji, and it needs to rip it, but it's not doing that. I'm gonna get stopped out. Stopped out. Gross trade. Gross. Both trades were gross, honestly. Wick test just didn't work. True wick test gives it to 80. True wick test is a stop at 78, excuse me, which I would still not be technically stopped out there, but it's just gross. That's a pretty bad day. I've been really vibing with the markets. Been on a really nice little run. This was not that.